everyone, I'm Gowtham. I completed my mechanical engineering in Tandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore, with 8.09 CGPA. I'm a 2021 passed out. I was suggested to Qspiders through my friend's brother, who also got placed in Qspiders. I completed manual testing here and got placed with a good package. I feel very thankful to HR team and the counselors who helped me in getting this job. I feel very much thankful to Arvind sir for helping me in clearing the mock interviews and giving presentations. I would strongly recommend giving presentation will help gain in more confidence. I will strongly recommend people who want to switch their career from any other field to software industry, and all the best.